Yeah, I have switched to one of the good organization with 100% increment.
You can start off by introducing yourself, where you're from, and you can let us know about your background and skill set.
Sure. My name is Rahul, and I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have overall experience of 7+ years into IT, out of which 5 years I work with mainframe technology and 2 years into big data. I have started my career in mainframe where I have worked on different tools and technology where I used to work with COBOL, JCL, DB2, and SQL. Then I switched my technology into big data.
Okay, that's great. And what was your primary objective of the training, and for which course you had enrolled in IntelliPath?
Yeah, the main objective was to enhance my skill further into big data technology and grab the good opportunity. So I enrolled for big data developer course with IntelliPath.
That's good. Okay. So Rahul, like, why did you choose IntelliPath over any other platforms like online platforms, and how did you hear about IntelliPath?
To be very honest, all credit goes to word of mouth. As I have heard lot of positive review about the IntelliPath, so that's the reason I choose IntelliPath or other online institution.
That's okay. And Rahul, tell us about your instructors or the mentor, and how effective was your entire training with the IntelliPath?
Yeah, so my trainer was Raghuraman sir, and he is one of the best trainer in big data. I found his session is very interactive and he is clear about all his experience, and he share all the real-time example with the students. So it will help us while giving interview with the good companies.
That's great. That's it. And how was your quality of the course material, Rahul?
Yeah, the basic course of big data is more than enough to switch a career in a big data, despite you are into a different background as well.
Okay.
The course content include not just the theoretical part but also real-time example and hands-on. It's like a complete course plan in such a way that we don't really need to look anywhere else.
Okay, that's great. That's great. And how did you find IntelliPath support back?
I must say the support was great. I've resolved almost my all the queries within SLA.
That's great. That's great. So please let us know about your success story.
Yeah, I have switched to one of the good organization with 100% increment. So I told you before that I am into big data only. So I opted this course for my enhancement on learning side. Even though when I used to do work in a big data technology, I found something is missing. So I joined this course. So after that, I enhanced my skill set from this course, and I gave with the multiple companies interview, and I got a 100% hike in my current CTC.
That's yeah. So if Rahul, if I ask you to describe IntelliPath in a one sentence, so how would you prefer to describe?
Yeah, no doubt, go for it.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it was So overall it was very nice session with you, Rahul. So that's all for the session right now. So
same here. Thank you.